In today's video, I will be showing you how to create interactive buttons that will do specific functions with the help of AppScript here in Google Sheets. So to create these buttons, we are going to be creating those functions with our AppScript. And don't worry if you don't know anything about coding or JavaScript, we are doing this with the help of ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and start by opening our ChatGPT. I have mine right here, and I've already created my prompt as well. And that's going to be to create an app script for Google Sheets that we will be adding to a shape, which will clear the entire spreadsheet. So what we're asking for ChatGPT to create would be an app script. And the function of this would be to clear the entire data within that spreadsheet. So if we click on this one right here, so it can create that app script for us. Here we have it. And what's great about ChatGPT is it includes everything from the instructions to the script itself. So first, it will tell you to open your Google Sheet, go to Extensions, open AppScript, and delete any default code and paste this code that it has created. You're going to save the project, give it a name like Clear Spreadsheet Script, and then assign the script to a shape. So after inserting this function or this script to our app script, we are going to be creating a shape where we will assign that script to. So let's go ahead and do that. We are going to first copy our script right here. There we go. That's already copied. Go back to your spreadsheet. Here we have it. So we were instructed to go to Extensions here in the menu bar and open AppScript. If you click on that, it will open in another tab. Let's wait for it to load. And here we have it. Again, it told us to clear everything in this page before we paste. There we have it. We're just going to rename the project as well as Clear Spreadsheet. Of course, this is totally up to you. Rename. Then we're going to save the project first. After we've saved that project, now we're going to run the selected function. If you click on that, it will require some authorization from you, and we're going to review permissions. Just allow this with your Google account. Once you're done with the permissions, it will tell you that execution is started and completed. If we go back to our spreadsheet, our second step would be to create that button where we will assign that script. So let's go to Insert right here and select Drawing. So we're going to be creating this button with our drawing. Go to Shape right here, select Shapes, and select the rounded rectangle. Now it's totally up to you which type of shape you want to use. For this one, I'm going to use a rectangular shape. I'm going to change the fill color into a light red right here. There we go. Double click inside that shape to enter your text. There you have it. Put it in bold. Increase the size. There you go. Once you've created that button, just click on Save and Close at the top right corner. And here we have it inserted on our slide. Let's reposition it right here. There you go. And to assign the script that we have just created, I'm just going to go back to our ChatGPT right here because it will tell you the name of this script that we're going to enter to our assigned script right here. So copy that. There you go. Go back to your spreadsheet. Go to the ellipsis at the right corner of your shape. Click on that. And here we have on our third row, Assign Script. If I click on it, here's where I'm going to put in what we have copied from ChatGPT, which will be the script name. Click on OK. And now if I click on this one, it will say running the script and finish the script, which is to clear the entire spreadsheet. If I undo that, here we have it again. And if I click on this, it will clear the entire spreadsheet. And there you have it. That's how you can create an interactive button that performs a specific function here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.